Okay, so here we go. Let me move over to here. So we got 83 shots. So let's just find a couple more. Then we'll look in Jacksonville. Because some people say, it's not like that where I live. That's only in Georgia. All right, let's find another one. Let's see a decent one. Oh, this looks decent. 600. That's a little pricey. All right, let's find some in our little price range. I mean, I'm calling them all, but 890, 425. All right, so let's just go here and do this real quick. 83. All right, cool. All right, so 300. Here's one for 245. Let's look at this. Zestimate says it's worth 225, 400. Let's just say that was right. 245. All right, house don't look like much, but first time home buyer price point, right? You guys agree with me?
Yes.
Agree with me? Say yes. First time home buyer price
Yes.
point.
Yes.
Everybody off mute and everybody stop working.
Yes.
There is nothing you can be doing that is more important than me helping you put 6 figures in your pocket right now. If I'm wasting your time, just let me off this video and I'll go make this money.
Oh no, I'm writing everything.
I'm trying to help y'all. Ain't nothing you can be doing that's more important. Your Monday should be saying, I am going to be with Anthony until 11:30. I'm not scheduling anything until 11:31 on Mondays because my Mondays are locked up. This is the day I'm working on my business. And I promise I'm going to bring you value every Monday. I promise you.
I think this is exactly what somebody in this price point would be looking for.
I agree with you, Jill.
They would be expecting something like this for 245.
Exactly. I agree with you, Jill. Remember, our job is to give buyers what they want, not what we want. It's a 5-bedroom home with 2 baths, 2,436 square feet. The estimate says 225. We don't know if that's right or not, but 245. Okay, let's look and see how awesome it is. Oh, you guys said home sale in 7 days. Either you're lying as real estate agents or you have a secret list that buyers don't know about.
Mm-hmm.
I think you have a secret list that buyers don't know about. That make you very valuable, that make you very valuable to them.
Mm-hmm.
And you're on the internet saying, "Hey guys, I got a list of homes you cannot find on MLS. If you want access to these homes that no buyers know about, call me at," did I say my number? Call me at, remember, just call me at, text me right now. And then they start to text you about this list. Trust me, we do it all day long. Oh, how do we find a homeowner? Oh, thank you. God is real. The number's right here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's pull up what's the county in Jacksonville y'all live in, because I don't want y'all living here saying it's not Florida, ain't like that. Give me a county.
Duval.
Duval.
Like Little Duval, the rapper or the comedian.
Yes.
Yes.
Is
Yes.
it 2 L's or
He's a
1?
comedian.
Duval.